Today I'm making vegan mayonnaise and I'm using Aquafaba. To get Aquafaba, we boil some chickpeas and we save the water. This is Aquafaba. But first, let's look what's in a bottle of regular mayonnaise. Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. Let's see what's in this stuff. Soybean oil, water, whole eggs, distilled vinegar, egg yolks, salt, sugar, lemon juice, concentrate, calcium disodium, EDTA to protect quality natural flavors. Mayonnaise part 2. We're using chickpea water. It's called Aquafaba. We boil the chickpeas and then let them sit in the water overnight, and then we'll reuse that water. So I soaked a big batch of chickpeas and then I boiled half of it and I kept the other half uncooked. I poured the Aquafaba water back over the uncooked chickpeas and let that soak. The extra soaking makes the final result thicker. A few squirts of mustard just helps with the foaming action. A little bit of agave to open up the flavor. Dr. Sebi, world-renowned healer, has natural medicine for any condition at drsebis.com. Save 5% on all applicable orders at drsebis.com using coupon code ADONAI. Now blend it up until it starts to get frothy. It might even start to get creamy. At this point, you want to slowly pour in a neutral tasting oil. I'm using avocado oil. So this helped with the emulsification process. You want to slowly pour the oil in while your blender's on and just keep blending. The standard recipe calls for 4 times the amount of oil that we have Aquafaba. But in order to save on oil, I'm going to use our next ingredient, sea moss. So this is another emulsifier. It'll help thicken it and bring it all together. If you don't know sea moss, it's a type of seaweed. It's a nutritional powerhouse. It has 92 minerals. Click here for a quick, easy sea moss recipe. If you don't have sea moss, just leave it out. Your mayonnaise should still come together. Okay, that's good texture. Kind of bland. A drizzle more of agave. A couple more squirts of mustard. That's good right there. A dash of pink Himalayan salt. It should be perfect. And it's done. Simple ingredients, quick and easy, delicious mayonnaise. On a difficulty level, I give this recipe a 5 out of 10. Something anyone can try at home with a can of chickpeas. The canned chickpeas works very well for this recipe too.